Combine 2 cups of fresh spinach, 1 ripe avocado, a handful of cherry tomatoes, a dash of olive oil, and a squeeze of lemon. This salad is not just a feast for the eyes, but also for the body. Spinach provides a healthy dose of iron and calcium, while avocados offer heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Begin with a base of low-sodium vegetable broth. Add in a cup each of chopped carrots and celery, half a cup of diced onion, and 1 cup of your favorite beans. This meal is high in fiber and protein, making it a satiating option that's low in calories but high in nutritional value. Blend 1 ripe banana, a handful of almonds, a cup of almond milk, a spoonful of honey, and a dash of cinnamon. This smoothie is packed with potassium from the banana and healthy fats from the almonds, providing a sweet treat that keeps hunger pangs at bay. Marinate a chicken breast in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, and your favorite herbs. Grill it to perfection and serve it alongside a cup of cooked quinoa. This protein-rich meal aids muscle repair and growth, and the quinoa provides a great source of fiber and iron. In conclusion, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. With just 5 ingredients, you can create a variety of meals that are not only beneficial for weight loss, but also provide a wealth of nutrients. From the iron in spinach to the fiber in beans, each ingredient plays a crucial role in maintaining optimal health. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about nourishing your body with the right foods. So embrace simplicity, savor the flavors, and enjoy the journey to a healthier you.